Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can win in the Naval Warfare Roblox. If you want to win Naval Battle Fast in under 5 minutes without complicated tactics, I've got simple trick that turns chaotic fights into quick victories. Let's go! So first you need to pick the right loadout. Choose the right ship and load out for a fast fight. And here you need to pick something good mobility and punch, a ship that can close or disengage quickly with enough firepower to burst down targets, because speed and damage beats heavy slow brawls in short skirmishes. And second, you need to scout fast and get the position advantage. So you use a scout or high vision unit to reveal enemy locations and then approach from an angle where you can bring more weapons to bear while minimizing their return fire. In short fights, who sees first and who fires first usually wins. And don't forget to focus fire and prioritize. So don't spread your damage, you need to lock onto one target and burn it down quickly. So the priority is enemy damage dealers or health healers or repairs ship first. So eliminating one ship fast reduce enemy DPS and morale, so the rest will melt. And fourth, use the map. Islands, fog, and choke points are your friends, so force enemies into narrow spaces where they cannot bring all their guns to bear, or use cover to limit incoming fires. And in short fights, even a small terrain advantage magnifies your damage output. Fifth, time your abilities. So leave your bigs cooldown for the moment you commit, such as salvo, torpedo, and repair burst or speed boost. Using them too early wastes them, so use them too late means you lose the window. So sync your burst with the moment you focus fire. And don't forget to stay adaptive and clean up. So stay flexible. If your main playing fast, you need to disengage and reset. So use mobility to kite or retreat and then push where the enemy is weak. After the main target is down, quickly finish damage ship before they repair or escape. So if you like this trick, smash that like button and tell me naval game you play. I'll make a game specific card next. See you in the next one.